In Singeti's golden sands, whispers of time unfold, ancient city of knowledge, tales of the desert told. Carved manuscripts whisper in the breeze, lost in the dunes where history finds ease. Nomadic winds dance with the sun's warm embrace, Singeti's secrets an eternal grace. A library of dreams in Sahara's embrace, silent dunes guard its manuscripts trace. Through narrow streets, shadows of the past linger, footprints in sand where scholars' wisdom trigger. Singeti, a haven where culture's preserved. In the Sahara's silence, its essence is observed. In twilight hues, as the day takes its leave, Singeti's tales the sands weave, a poetic dance in the desert's embrace. Singeti whispers, leaving no trace.